Stormy Weather. Camp Kookalah. Skipping. Teacher's pet. The easy way out. Whose life is it anyway? The Dissection Connection. Angels among us. The election. The good life. Miami Vices. The Pickford Project. Driving Miss Sharon. 24 hours. Take that. The divorce thing. Mixed messages. The Makeover. 5 things that really bug me about you. Crushed. Brace yourself.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.